Maryland is now the third state in the country to cover transition-related health care for transgender state employees, retirees, and their dependents. The historic change is a result of gender discrimination claims filed on behalf of Sailor Hollaball, a transgender man and state employee. The nonprofit Free State Legal Project represented Hollaball in filing an equal employment opportunity complaint against the state and a second complaint with the Maryland Commission on Civil Rights. Last year, Hollaball was denied insurance coverage for a gender reassignment surgery-related medical procedure. In settling the claims earlier this month, the state agreed to reimburse Hollaball for the procedure and remove language from its health care plans that exclude medically necessary gender reassignment procedures and treatments from coverage.
It's part of a broader narrative of I think, transgender rights coming to the forefront, especially in Maryland with the passage of the Fairness for All Marylanders Act. So what we are hoping is that this will sort of set the standard and the guidepost for the state of Maryland moving forward.
The change went into effect starting the 1st of this month. It's one of several developments for transgender rights this year. Back in May, Governor O'Malley signed the Fairness for All Marylanders Act, which bans discrimination against transgender Marylanders. Monday, President Obama signed an executive order giving employment protection to gay and transgender workers in the federal government and any agency with government contracts.